In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the comments only for friends on TikTok. So if you want to disallow the comments altogether from all the public but not from the friends, here's how you can customize that option. First of all, just go to the bottom right hand corner and click on your profile icon. And from here, we choose three lines at the top right. Head over to the settings and privacy. And under here, you will scroll down until you see this interactions section right here. From here, we will choose comments. And under here at the top, you can see that allow comments from is set to everyone. We will customize it and we will send it or customize it to friends. And we currently have 4 friends that we follow back. Basically, TikTok only consider friends to those people who have followed you and you have followed them back. Only those people are considered as friends. Otherwise, if some people are following you and you're not following them back, they are not counted as friends. So make sure to follow them back if you want to allow them to see your comments. And that's pretty much all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.